Was it just just a murder? I mean, they shot the killer. Why not just wound him?
It's just how they're trained.
She's not training.
This is fun.
I don't think I can get her the money that she
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold on. Yes, you can. Well, we have to stay strong. I'm with you. Okay? This is still wrong for death. You can do this.
I've just seen it. I know I have to.
You have to.
I have to.
Pagod.
Not just for her, but for him.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Stop.
Go,
Can
Lily.
you find out whose house that owns?
Let's take it. All right, let's talk about it. All I got right now is LLC. That's the name of the shell company.
Want to know what he was doing?
Antok
I
na
need to
siya.
know what he was doing there, and I need answers. Hey,
Baby, I'm following some leads right now. Okay? Just give me a day or so.
you have no idea.
Come on, let's go. I'll drive. Well, I'll come back and get the
I
car.
need to just check on me.
Tomorrow. Okay? Tomorrow. I don't like you just doing that. I'm letting this happen. I'm gonna get you. Hold on. I'm gonna check on for you later. Okay? Yeah?
It was another restless night as protesters turned violent downtown. Glass doors were shattered and vandalized. Several rioters from police cars as the meeting continued. 4 people were hurt, and now pressure is mounted on Mayor Johnson and city officials as business owners are demanding something be done to bring an end to this violence. You may recall that this is all a result of the Rodney Blackburn shooting that has sparked out.
Lily. Lily. Oy. I know, you're almost there. There you go. Don't eat it.